Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to view Instagram Reels history. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now first of all, let me clear you, there is no exact way to check your Instagram Reels history, but I have two tricks which you can use to see your Instagram Reels history. Now in the first trick, let's suppose I'm watching Reels and I like this reel, but unfortunately I watch many of Reels and I now want to get back to that reel. How I can do that? We just have to scroll down a little bit, just like this. So this is the first trick which you can use, and for some reason if you like on that reel or comment on that reel, you can find that as well. So let's suppose I like this reel and I comment here. Let's suppose I get back from Instagram and now I want to see that reel after some like 2-3 days. So how I can do that? Just open your Instagram again, and then here you have to click on your profile. Then you will find these 3 lines options. We have to click here, and here look for the option as your activity. So this is the one, just click here, and here you can go to likes, and here you will find all of those reels which you have liked in the past. So as you can see, this is the reel which we have liked, and now I can rewatch it whenever I want. And also if you have comment on the reel, you can see that here as well. As you can see, this is the reel where we have commented, and we can see it here as well. So this is also the way, but there is no exact way to see your Instagram Reels history in Instagram. So yeah, if this video helps you in any way, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.